Hey, Chris here, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we're going to look at the best match betting software that's available on the market. Because of the fact that people ask me on a regular basis what the best match betting software is, I wanted to put this video together to share my thoughts and reasons why I'm recommending this software in particular. Now, the software that I do recommend is indeed OddsMonkey, but I'm not just going to say that it's OddsMonkey and then not share with you the reasons why. We're going to get on the laptop and I'm going to share with you why that is and all the different features that you can get from OddsMonkey. Before we get on the laptop though, I just wanted to share with you some Cheltenham Festival specific promotions that OddsMonkey are putting on for that week of horse racing. The first promotion that they're giving out is a -1% commission for any new Matchbook users that are also placing lay bets through the OddsMonkey site. That means that you'll be getting paid for placing lay bets because you're not getting charged a commission, but actually -1%. Another Cheltenham Festival promotion that's on offer is from Smarkets, and they're actually giving out £500 of prizes each day of the festival. The final Cheltenham specific promotion I wanted to tell you about is that OddsMonkey are offering their annual subscription for just £139.99 when you use the code SPECIAL. That offer is available till the end of the Cheltenham Festival. But if you're watching this video and the Cheltenham Festival has now been and gone, let's now get on the laptop and look at a few things that OddsMonkey can give you all year round. So here on the laptop then, the first thing worth mentioning is the fact that OddsMonkey have a market-leading amount of sign-up offers. So if we click on this, view my journey here, so journey to becoming a match betting master, we can actually load that up and just see the sheer amount of welcome offer profits available here. So you can see here, from the free beginner course, you're going to make an average of £29, then move on to the easy welcome offers and make an average of £299. Then from the Bet Clubs 180, moving further on to the advanced welcome offers where you'll make £556. Now that's just the beginning, because you can scroll down further and see all these extras here to do with casino welcome offers, casino reloads, the more advanced strategies like 2-ups and best odd guaranteed, as well as extra places. So there's an insane amount on offer here when you get joined up to OddsMonkey. Another great advantage of being a premium OddsMonkey member is that you get access to BetConnect's Match Betting Pro for completely free. So there's all of these features here, but if we scroll down, you can see Match Betting Pro, £15 a month. But yeah, if you are already an OddsMonkey Premium member, as I say, you can just click I'm an OddsMonkey user and you get that for completely free. Now, if we go on to tools and then onto the Odds Matcher, wanted to let you know that the OddsMonkey site is actually the only match betting software that has 5 exchanges on offer. So you can see here BetConnect, BetDAQ, Betfair, Matchbook, and Smarkets. They're also the only match betting software that are going to give you 3 exchanges at a 0% commission deal, those being BetConnect, Matchbook, and Smarkets. Now here you can see it's not just me that is saying OddsMonkey is such a good software for match betting, but you can see that on Trustpilot, they have an excellent rating there. I also recommend OddsMonkey for the fact that they have a 99% uptime on their site, meaning that you're going to have their site available to use and continue to be able to make those profits. They're also GDPR compliant, meaning they'll never sell your data on to any third-party companies. And from the main homepage here, we can click on Tools and then go to Matcher Tools and then the Bog Matcher there. And you can see here they have several different matching tools. But I wanted to show you this Bog Matcher specifically. So Bog, for those of you that don't know, is Best Odds Guaranteed. And this is a brand new tool that OddsMonkey have implemented into their site. So I won't go into the details of how that matcher works and why it's so beneficial, because you can go on to guides. If you click guides and then all guides, there's a full breakdown of what Best Odds Guaranteed matching is. But it's another tool there that I just really like about the OddsMonkey site that you can get using straight away. Now, what I'd really like to ask people to do that have been using the OddsMonkey site for either a short time or even a long time is comment below how long you've been using OddsMonkey and what kind of profit you've made with their website. I think that'll give potential new users to OddsMonkey an insight into what profit is really possible with their site. But that is going to do it for this video. As usual, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.